When practicing with a metronome, I think I kind of emailed you about this the other day. You're saying start out at 60 to 80, whatever feels comfortable, and then progress from there.
Yeah, move out of your comfort zone. You've got to start with something that you can do.
Sure. But what would you suggest? Like, just keep bumping it up a couple more BPMs, bump it up 5, and then practice that until. And how long? Say you stay on a train rhythm for a minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. What would you suggest?
44 minutes is the record. Just increase 1% a day.
Okay. Who holds that 44 minutes? Is that Sean?
No, it's David Guzzetta.
Okay.
So he says, but he says a lot of things.
Very good. Very good. Okay.
No, I believe him, actually. I believe him. It is possible to do it. But he wasn't doing it at full energy. He was watching TV, or his wife was watching EastEnders or some nonsense. So he was trying to keep quiet in the background and just use the time wisely, more wisely than his wife.
Just keep progressing, and try to get out of your comfort zone to get to that point, right?
Right, exactly. So start in your comfort zone. So if you're doing that's 60, isn't it?
Yeah.
1 beat per second. I mean, you could even do it at half speed, but I think that's too slow for most people. So whatever you choose to measure it at, just stick with that.
Sure.
You may want to start at 80. I don't know. So just muck around with it until you find your comfort zone, and then you're looking for that balance between length of time you can do it, stamina,
Yes.
and speed that you're doing it at. So if you're doing it really fast, you won't be able to do it for so long.
Yeah.
Because you will probably fall over at some point.
Sure. Okay.
And so just balance it out.
Gotcha. And also, you mentioned somebody a website that you buy harmonicas from in the UK. Is that correct? Do you have a United States suggestion to go to?
Yes, I do. Rocking Ron.
Rocking Ron?
Yeah. Tell him hi from me. I'll get 10%. It's not true. It's not true. We don't. We talk on email. We don't know each other.
Got it. Okay, but no, that helps right there, because you see so many things that I don't know what to trust and where to go to. So Rocking Ron's my guy.
Rocking Ron is your guy. Yeah,
Perfect.
He's got everything in stock. He knows exactly what's going on. He's very passionate about the whole thing.
Okay.
And yeah.
All right. Well, thank you.
All right. Good to have you here.
Thank you. Yep. It's better than being here for the last 4 minutes. So
it's so much better. It's 56 minutes better than that.
Exactly. All right. Thank you.
All right. You're very welcome.